What up, everybody? We out here at 2 a.m. This is. Ain't no one out here, dude. We're on the Grom today, doing some stunt shit. I still haven't introduced this Grom to y'all. I will one day, I promise. But for now, I need seat time. I got a new mic. That's probably why you can hear me pretty good. Let's see if we can throw this shit up, boy. Whoa! Dude, I'm getting pretty good with the Grom, low-key. I'm not gonna lie, it's so fun. This is my little lot I practice in. There's a guy that comes out here that watches an area. I'm not gonna disclose too much information. But pretty much he comes out once in a while at like 1, 2 a.m. And bro's just like watching me wheelie for hours, dude. I swear to you, it's so funny. I need some air, so we're popping the hood. Check me out, kid. I know, I'm chasing him a little bit right now. I literally just did an oil change and I'm just getting warmed up. Oh yeah, we're not allowed to loop today, actually, because I don't have a lens on my GoPro right now, which I usually do, but I was adjusting the battery. I dropped it straight on the lens, but I had a protector, right? So I'm not very good at talking yet and wheelies, I'll be honest. So yeah, we cannot drop the GoPro, which means I can't loop, because that's what dropping the GoPro is. Yo, my first couple times though here at this lot, just like messing around, trying to pop it up, I was dog shit. And I couldn't even hold for a second. But now, dude, like, look at that. Look at me, check me out. Check out the kid, bro. I won't bore you guys. Let's go wheelie on the streets of Mexico. These are the streets of Mexico. I don't ever go on streets, I'll be honest with you. But we're recording. Ah! Chasing red line. There's a car coming. Holy shit. Holy shit. We gotta go. Okay. Anyway, yeah, I bought this not too long ago, man, to get better at wheelies and stuff, you know, so. And like, I swear to you, I feel like I'm already learning how to do back brake shit, like way better. Like, I have a Ninja 400, if you guys don't know. Even though it's underpowered, you can still chase those wheelies, like pretty easy too. Let's go to the OG lot. This is the Ninja lot I used to go to. Oh shit, someone's there. That's weird. There's like never anyone there. Also, when I go back on the Ninja now, it feels so awkward, but hopefully that won't stick. I'm sure it won't. I'm sure I'll readapt like I did the first time. Green light, Jared! Thank you, Jared. Who does this guy think he is in my lot? What a goofball. If I can get this whole lot, I'll be stoked. Alright, listen, we kind of chased it at the end. Oh, there's a little curve here too. I haven't yet got how to like turn into wheelie. I don't quite understand it. Dude, this is one of the issues. Look at these guys. They didn't wave back. They just looked at me awkwardly. One of the issues with bikes is you never register the damn light. Let's get it. Don't die. Good shit. Wow, it literally just changed too. Oh dude, I also cleaned my helmet for the first time. Oh my gosh. Cause like, I'm so serious before. This is gonna sound kind of nasty, but I was sweating in it so much that, and I, like when I bought it, you know, it's been like 6 months probably now since I've had this helmet, the same one. Woo! Oh, okay. Yeah, so dude, I watched this helmet for the first time finally. I just used like, oh my gosh, look at the cop presence here, dude. Sorry about the ADHD. 1 cop, 2 cop, 3 cop, 4. How many cops are at my door? There's 5. Yeah, back to the story. Watch this helmet. The bacteria, oh yeah, that's what I was gonna say. The bacteria, dude, felt like it was like biting my face when I was sweating. Disgusting! Like before I washed it. I know it sounds nasty as hell. Also, Florida, I'm a Florida baby, by the way. is hitting its hottest days in some record or whatever. I don't know exactly how long the record is. What up, player? Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. I'm gonna be taking off work maybe here soon. We'll see. Cause I've been working like a lot of overtime and stuff. Might give it a little break just for a little bit. I'm trying to hit a goal though. You guys ever have like any financial goals? A little short right now, but in a good way. You know what I mean? It's not in a bad way, but just not at the very top, which is okay. Woo. I don't even know where I'm at. Cool. I'm gone. Oh wait, this is my little run I do. Don't tell anyone. I guess on this bike I can go through the sand. It's not like the Ninja where it matters. Here. Look at the ducks. Hello, ducks. There's so many. Oh my gosh. Yeah, man. When riding a Grom, you're really taking the scenery, though. I'll give you that. That's one cool thing. Well, positive or con, however you view it, but the Ninja, you're just booking it. You're just, I know it's not that fast, but you're still moving, you know what I'm saying? 80 is easy. This, 50 is hard. Ready? No hander. He's like, what the hell? I love doing this stuff, bro. It's like surfing, I swear. I've never surfed before, but that's what I would imagine it feels like. Good slow down, dude. Woo! Next good one, we're gonna dip. Alright, that was pretty damn good, dude. I'm not gonna lie. Alright, my fellas, we're wrapping it up here. I did a lot. Didn't spend the most amount of time here, but definitely got a good session in for a work night, you know? And just cleared my mind a little bit tonight. And then the air cools you off. I get it. We're down the bridge. What? Oh my gosh. Go to the right, bucko. We're hauling ass, buddy. Whoop. Call me Rossi. I used to wheelie here too, on the Ninja. Park her in her home. Alright, my fellas, I hope you liked this video. It looks so stupid. I had fun. This is what I be doing a lot, trying to get some seat time in. We successfully didn't loop tonight yet, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.